Nothing like on a cold winter's night having your firewood right next to you.
Welcome back to Kevin's Woodworking. Guess what time it is? It's fire weather. So for today's build, we're going to be making a nice little easy build that you can hold your firewood in using some 2x4s and some cinder blocks. Let's get into it. First step is to measure our 2x4s. We're going to make these 3 foot. We're going to need 4 of them. Right there, right there. We'll cut one and then use it as the guide for the rest. Let's head to the miter saw. Let's make our cuts. So like I said, use your first 3-foot board. Make sure it's flush and use it as your template for the rest. We're gonna cut the rest of them out. Now that we got our lumber cut, we're gonna head to the back porch. Go ahead and put them in the cinder blocks. See what we need to measure out to get our little side pieces. Let's do it. We made it to the back porch. There's our cinder blocks. One goes there. One goes there. One go there. One goes there. Now, want to measure out, first of all, where we want them. We're going to see our distance on them. See our distance from these to the other one. We got 20 inches. Let's go make 2 cuts of 20. So we figured out there that we need our cross beams to be 20 inches. We'll mark 20 there, 20 there, speed square. Boom. Same thing with this one. 20 there, 20 there. Let's cut them on the miter. I apologize guys, but I just remembered. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. But now that we got our 2 side pieces cut, we're gonna go out there with some hammer and nails and put it together. I done away with the hammer. I went and got the drill. I'm gonna have to flip it around real quick. There it is, folks. That's what she's looking like. Like I said, real nice and simple. These move around for the meantime, but as soon as you start putting the weight of firewood on there, it ain't gonna move, it ain't gonna budge. We're gonna go ahead and start getting some wood and showing y'all how it's gonna look on the end. This right here, guys, is exactly what we was going for. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. As you can tell, it's a very simple, easy build. Also very useful. We enjoy having fires out here. Hence the fire. Peep Dexter over there. Dexter, say what's up to him. He said subscribe. That's what that means right there. But yeah, easy, useful. Can't get any better than that. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you go check out all my other videos and smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button too. Comment if you got anything to say. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.